In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share nutrition plans with your clients. There are two ways to share nutrition plans with your clients. The first is by using sharing. Using our sharing feature is a fast and secure way to easily share recipes, plans, and collections with anyone, even if they don't use That Clean Life. You can share single recipes, meal plans, or collections with your clients. From inside of any recipe, plan, or collection, select the Share button. Click the toggle to turn on sharing and to generate a link. Be sure to turn on any other permissions you'd like your clients to have. When you turn on edits, anyone with the link can edit the shared items. Please note this setting only applies to shared plans and lists. When you allow exports, anyone with the link can export. When you turn this permission on, we automatically enable user identification. PDF exports will be delivered to the email address provided when your clients enter their identification. When user identification is turned on, we require people to identify themselves. This feature does not require your clients to have a That Clean Life account. It is simply a way for them to identify themselves when viewing the link. When you enable the nutrition facts, this controls whether the viewers can see the nutrition information on recipes and the meal plan. If exports are enabled, they will be able to export the nutrition information. To secure your resources, you can choose to enable password protection. Anyone visiting the link will be prompted to enter the password you have set before they can access the items. If you'd like to include a welcome note, detailed instructions for your clients, or a link, be sure to use attachments. You can add two types of attachments, a link or rich text, which allows you to format text of any length. To create an attachment, select the Attachments tab inside the sharing dialog, and then click Add or New Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message, so we'll choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message in the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already written snippets, select Apply from Snippet. Select the snippet you'd like to use under Templates, and then customize your message accordingly. To save, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they log in, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the three dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can always unpin this attachment by selecting the icon with the three dots and selecting Unpin Attachment. And if you need to edit or delete your attachment, you can select those options under here too. Once your permissions are set, be sure to copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. We report all of your share stats under the Shared tab within your profile settings. Click the icon with the three dots and select View Share Stats. From here, you can see the total number of views, exports if turned on, and the names and email addresses of the people who viewed the link. Please note, user identification needs to be enabled to see the names of everyone who has viewed the link. This is also where you can turn off sharing for each resource or delete the link entirely. The second way to share resources with your clients is by using PDF exports. PDF exports allow you to create a PDF document and share that with your client through email or your practice management software. To export any resource, select the icon with the three dots and select Export. In this example, we'll be exporting a meal plan. You can choose to include the list, the plan, the notes, and the nutrition breakout. Be sure to choose a cover photo and include any personal notes in the brief section. You can also access our pre-made snippets to add a personalized welcome message to your brief. Once your brief is complete, select Start Export. Your plan will then download as a PDF document complete with your business branding and contact information you set up under the My Business tab. You can also click Email at the top and enter the recipient's email address. This will allow you to send the program PDF directly through email. If you'd like to change the look and feel of your PDF exports, you can change your PDF export theme through your profile under Preferences. You can choose from Classic, Modern, or Bold. And that's how easy it is to share resources with your clients.